This 5-minute flow will help you release tension from your hips, improve mobility, and will bring ease back into your hips. Let's get started in an all fours position. Hands under your shoulders, knees under your hips. Just start circling in an organic way, just waking up our hips, our wrist joints as well. Reverse the directions and breathe. Ease out of the circling, come to the neutral position for cat and cow. Drop your belly, shine your chest, lift up. As you breathe in, exhale, push everything away from you, pull your navel in, rounding through your spine, chin to chest. Couple more times on your own pace. Come back to the neutral position. Come onto your forearms for a while, Sphinx pose. Extend your legs back, come onto your belly, and then slide your right knee to the side. Your right knee in line with your right hip and right knee in line with your right ankle. Option to bend the right leg. You can stay here or slide your hands back until you feel comfortable. Choose any variation. There is no right or wrong. Listen to your body. Pushing through your hands, lifting your chest up, nice opening in the front side of your line, all the way down to your belly and the left side of your hip flexor. Few breaths here. Ease out of the pose. If you are on your hands, come onto your forearms. Extend the right leg back, bend the left leg, left knee in line with your left hip, and it is in line with your left heel. Option to bend the left leg. You're welcome to stay here, tuck your chin, or slide your hands back. Just choose any variation. Come all the way up onto your palms, opening your chest, shoulders back and down. Few more breaths here. Pause. Just notice the sensations, opening or contractions. Where are they happening? Ease out of the pose. Come onto your forearms. If you are on your hands, extend the left leg. And then let's come all the way up onto our seats for 90-90. It's a great pose to bend both the legs. Left leg is almost parallel to the front of the mat, shorter edge of the mat, and right leg is parallel to the longer edge of the mat. Option to slightly bend both legs if you feel uncomfortable in your hips. Hands either sides of your legs, still lifted as you breathe in. As you exhale, forward fold. At any degree, maybe you're on your forearms, on your hands, absolutely fine. Choose your variation, listen to your body. Just don't compare with anyone. Just don't mirror me as well. We are all different in our bodies and in our journey. Let the head hang heavy, breathe here. Palms facing ceiling. Ease out of the pose, switch to the sides. You already knew it, how to do it. Well, let me turn to this side so that you can see me clearly. You can stay seated where you are. Both legs are bent. Well, place a folded blanket or a block underneath your right hip. If you feel more tight in your hips, come onto your hands or fingertips. Stay lifted as you breathe in. Flex your both feet. Exhale, forward fold at your own degree. Let the head hang heavy here. Ease out of the pose. All the way down onto your backs for supine bridge. Bend your legs, knees facing ceiling, feet hip width apart, parallel together, or slightly more than hip width apart. Choose your variation, explore, play here. Hands along the side of your body, pushing through your heels. As you inhale, lift your sit bones up to the sky. Squeeze your glutes. Keep lifted. Open your chest. Option. Keep squeezing your legs. Your knees are not open. Ease out of the pose. Release. Hug your legs in. And then gently holding your knees, using your hands, maybe swaying back and forth. Gentle massage to your low body. Just notice how are you feeling in your low back. Give a big hug to you. Lift your neck, head up as you exhale. Great. You did a great job today.